So I wanted to come on camera today and let you all know that the time has come to shave off all of my hair on my head. So I've come on here today, minimal makeup, my hair is not done, I've just woken up and have had a shower. I haven't even wet my hair, it's just from waking up this morning, because I wanted you to see what I guess I see when I wake up, and you can definitely see it in the mirror back here. You can see just the disorder that my hair is. So I've been wanting to do this for, I would say, 3 to 4 years. On and off for a couple of those years, mostly because of how, I don't know, sort of understanding the idea of why I wanted to shave my head. And in the last 6 to 12 months has been a period of time where it's no longer been, oh, I think I want to do this. It's, I need to do this to feel better. So as a lot of you might have seen from a lot of my previous videos, or if you follow my Instagram, I have had a lot of hair changes in the last maybe like 3 years. I might do a hair journey video for you all, just explaining from where it started to where I am now, but I want to do that after I shave my hair because I feel like that's sort of like would be a good end to that video. But my hair is so dead. It's been bleached countless times. It's been colored multiple colors in the last couple years, and it's dead. It's officially died. It doesn't retain color well anymore. It's very dry, very straw-like. Its natural texture is kind of just mucked up, messed up. And one thing I'm noticing is it also doesn't retain water very well. So if I come out of a shower, some of the parts like instantly just sort of puff up and get all dry and gross looking. So it's gone, it's dead. The reason why I have waited so long to shave my head is because I spent a lot of time, as we all do, wondering what people will think of me, or what people do think of me with the way I look. And obviously hair is such a good, massive security blanket for so many people. That's what it was for me. It was a security blanket. And I went through a lot of mental health stuff in the last 2 years or so because of COVID and other factors as well. And something about shaving my head, I guess, links up to that, and it's sort of almost this freeing thing that I'm hunting for, and I think I will find a good bit of therapy out of shaving my head. I also spent a lot of time asking people if they think I'd look good with a shaved head, or do they think I should shave my head, and then something just sort of switched, and the conversations I was having with people, it wasn't, what do you think I should shave my head, or will I look good with a shaved head? It's, I am going to shave my head. So I said that to my mum, I've said that to my best friend, or best friends, and I don't know, something about switching that conversation from what do you think to this is what I'm going to do, really kind of put into perspective who I was doing this for and why it was important to me. One of the biggest things that I've realized with my hair is, yeah, I've had so much fun doing hair modeling and changing it up and playing with it, but I have this odd physical and mental detachment from my hair. Not my body hair though, like I don't care about growing out my arm or leg hairs or whatever. That's fine, that doesn't worry me. In fact, that's kind of empowering sometimes. But it's the hair on my head that I just feel so uncomfortable with. I don't want it on there, it's uncomfortable. I try to pull it out of my face all the time. I'm always tying it back or putting it in a hat. Especially in the last like 6 months I'd say. I also feel that what's on the inside of me, and this is a constant journey and it will never be over, and I understand that, but what's on the inside in here and here doesn't necessarily reflect what's on the outside. I also absolutely 110% want to get my hair tattooed, so to shave it will be one step forward to becoming more of a tattooed person, and committing more to that, because the feeling I get from having tattoos that I can't hide is really liberating and really freeing. My pronouns are she, her, and identify as female, but I do not conform to, how am I gonna say this? I do not conform to gender stereotypes in clothing. So this is such a tricky one to navigate. So I buy a lot of men's clothing and women's clothing, and of course unisex clothing. And there are some days where I feel my energy, demeanor is more masc, and other days where I feel like it's more feminine. So I feel like for me personally, shaving my head is going to allow me to have a blank canvas to play between the two. But I also don't think hair defines gender. I don't think anything defines gender, to be perfectly honest. But in this context of what we're talking about now, I don't think hair defines gender. So for me, like I said, my shaved head is just removing some of that, and allowing me to have one less, I guess, physical thing to worry about when I am playing with my style and my looks. So what's gonna happen now is my best friend in the whole entire world, Alyssa, hello, she's a hairdresser, and she is going to have the honors of helping me shave my hair off. So we're gonna get ready, and we're gonna go to the salon, and she is going to do the honors of shaving the hair. Yeah, I'm really excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I'm so ready for this. So let's go. Alright, so it's actually been a couple of days, maybe even a week or so after I filmed that last part, because Melbourne is now back into lockdown. So we can't go to the salon, so we're going to shoot it all at home. But this is Alyssa. You probably met her once before in a video we did when we made that coat. So as I said before, Alyssa is a qualified hairdresser. She's working with me at the salon that we both work at, and I am just so excited to get started today. So I'm not going to delay it any further. I know the intro before was probably quite long. Yeah, so we're just going to get everything sorted, and we're going to make that first cut and shave, and you're welcome to watch. Yay! Alright, so we've done the part where we put all on pigtails, and now I'm gonna do the first cut, and I'm so excited, I'm so nervous. So, okay, so do I just cut
just
below
hack
or
at
above?
it.
Above? Wait, I'll do a front pigtails. Okay. Alright, ready guys? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh my god, okay. Alright. Do you want, you have a go, second one.
I'm gonna use this shiz.
Okay. Alright. Ooh, it's really satisfying cutting it. Here you go. Have some hair. I feel like I've waited for this for so long that there was like really barely any regret like going in with the scissors. It was just like breath in, breath out. Oh my god, my hair is already so short.
Okay.
This is kind of fun. This like punk. I mean, not that I've been kind of this short before. This is kind of fun. Do we just leave it here and just go with, oh look, I have little devil spikes. It does look pretty bad though. Alright. Alright. Cool. You guys ready? Alright. Yeah. For anyone who doesn't know, we're doing a 4 at the moment, or a 6?
No, we're doing a 6.
Okay, a 6. Just so we don't go too short too quickly. I haven't seen my natural hair color in, oh my god, like maybe since I was 14, 13, and I actually don't hate it. It's almost like an ashy medium brown. I think I love it. I think I love my hair short. I'm not angry about it at all. I like it. I'm into it. It feels so good to touch barely any hair at all. But yeah, we're gonna do a bit more work, I guess, and figure out where we want to be at.
So I would always start way longer than what your client thinks that they want. Like Taylor said to me, I want to go like a number 2, and I was like, cool. So I started with a number 6, and it's very short, right? Especially from when you've had long hair forever. So now we're just gonna slowly work it down to the size that we want.
Yeah. This is the length that we want. I think any shorter and it would start looking maybe a bit like sparse. And because we are going to colour, we don't want to probably go too much shorter than that. But oh my god, it feels so good on the back of my. It feels so good. Just feel that. Anyway, so we're just going to clean up and then we're going to sort of refine any edges of my hair, and then we're going to pop the bleach on. And then I'll show you what colour we decide to go with. So yay! Give me rub me. Oh, this looks really. So what we've done is we have overtoned to like a very mild violet color. I actually really like this and I kind of don't want to change it, but we are going to commit to the color, which you'll see in a minute. Alyssa's just gone to pastelize it now, but I'm like feeling this so much. Tell me what you all think. I'm so happy with it. It feels so good. Let's do it. Oh, this is the color we're going. Alright, so this is the colour and we're gonna let it sit, we're gonna wash it off, and I will be back on camera once it's all done and I've put a whole look together, and that will be the big surprise reveal. So thank you, Alyssa. I am so happy that I did this. So yes, this is the finished look of my head shave. We went obviously for pink, as you all saw. If you're curious, the colour that we used was Manic Panic Cotton Candy or something like that. I can link it below if you want, but I just can't stop looking at myself. I think I'm really vain because of how much I'm addicted to having a shaved head. We went for a number 3 level, or 3, like the clipper size was a 3 for the shave, and I'm really happy with it. I do see myself potentially going shorter, and because I do want to tattoo my head, I will eventually have to go no hair, but I haven't felt this good and this freed by something in so freaking long. So I just want to thank Alyssa for helping me out. I also want to thank myself for having the courage to go ahead and do something like this. That is quite, I don't know, quite a big change, I guess. Yeah, I mean, just looking at myself in the viewfinder, I'm just so happy I did it. I'll give you all a full 360 now of it. But honestly, I just feel so happy and so much relief from shaving my hair off. I will encourage anybody who's wanting to do this to do it. I know it can be a big thing, but you've got this and you will feel amazing afterwards. Just touching it feels fantastic, and I just feel more confident without makeup on. I know I've got a bit of makeup on now, but I just feel more confident without makeup on at the moment. I do feel like I can wear whatever I want and it's not defined by my hair, which is amazing. I do want to do a video later on basically just talking about maybe 2 or 3 months on from shaving my hair, how I feel about it. But 2 or 3 days on, I feel absolutely amazing. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me shave all my hair off, and I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to have a chat with you in the comments. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed watching this video. Leave a like, and thank you all so much. Bye.